students, today we will discuss Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation. These were the two scientists who discovered that reaction, that is Charles Friedel and that is James Mason Craft. They discovered Friedel-Crafts reaction. Introduction of alkyl or acyl group into an aromatic nucleus, that is benzene, in the presence of acid catalyzed, usually Lewis acid, is known as Friedel-Crafts reaction. Usually Lewis acid which is used is AlCl3, aluminum chloride. Friedel-Crafts reactions are broadly classified into two categories, that is Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, where you can introduce alkyl group into the aromatic nucleus, and another or second type is Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, where you can introduce acyl or acetyl group into the aromatic nucleus. Benzene in the presence of Lewis acid, and when it is reacted with the alkyl halide, it is converted into alkylation benzene, that is ethyl chloride, then it will be a toluene. The product formed will be toluene. If you use benzene or aromatic nucleus to react with acetyl chloride or acyl chloride, that halogen will be removed by reacting with that proton, and that acyl linkage will get attached to the benzene nucleus and acylation will occur. After alkylation, when benzene is reacted with alkyl chloride in the presence of AlCl3, that is catalyst and is also called Lewis. It is converted into toluene. AlCl3 will be generated and HCl is byproduct. Same is the condition when Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. That is acetyl chloride, and that proton from benzene ring is removed as a byproduct. AlCl3 will act as a catalyst and your new product will be formed is that is called acetophenone or acyl benzene. Mechanism of Friedel-Crafts alkylation is that AlCl3 will act on alkyl chloride and extract its halide anion, and it forms AlCl4- and carbocation will be generated. That carbocation ultimately reacts with benzene ring and removes its aromatization, and ultimately that bond will be hydrogen will be removed as a proton, and that bond will be fragmented and your new structure formed will be and that combines with AlCl4 to form HCl, and AlCl3 catalyst will be generated. Friedel Friedel-Crafts acylation mechanism is somewhat similar to Friedel-Crafts alkylation. In Friedel-Crafts acylation, AlCl3, which is working as a catalyst, will act on acyl chloride and extract its halide anion and forms AlCl4, an intermediate, and a carbocation, that is acyl carbocation, and that acyl carbocation will attack benzene nucleus and it forms an intermediate with the removal of aromatization of benzene ring. Ultimately that proton will be removed as a ultimately that hydrogen will be removed as a proton, and double bond will be generated inside the benzene ring, and your new structure formed will be, that is called aceto. Thank you very much. तेरी मैं तो एक स्टेप नहीं. Mechanism of Friedel-Crafts alkylation. The Friedel-Crafts alkylation follows the pathway of aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction involving the formation of Wieland intermediate. It is evident in most of the cases the electrophile is carbocation. First of all, AlCl3, that is Lewis acid, that extracts halogens from the alkyl halide and forms an intermediate that is called aluminum chloride with extra halide anion. So negative charge appears on the structure with the formation of free alkyl carbocation. That free alkyl carbocation electrophilically attack the benzene nucleus, and it forms an intermediate that is called Wieland intermediate. There is simultaneous attachment of a proton and alkyl group. Ultimately that proton will be removed, leaving behind its bonding pair, and that proton will react with AlCl4 intermediate, and HCl will be formed as a byproduct. Ultimately aromatization occur, that proton will be removed, that will react with AlCl4 and aromatization will occur, and your ring is again regenerated. AlCl3, the Lewis acid catalyst will be formed, and HCl will be formed as a byproduct. Mechanism of Friedel-Crafts alkylation is that AlCl3 will act on alkyl chloride and extract its halide anion, and it forms AlCl4 minus, and carbocation will be generated. That carbocation ultimately reacts with benzene ring and removes its aromatization, and ultimately that bond will be, hydrogen will be removed as a proton, and that bond will be fragmented, and your new structure formed will be and that combines with AlCl4 to form HCl, and AlCl3 catalyst will be generated. These are the resonance stabilized carbocation when your electrophile, which is in that case is alkyl group, that attacks your different resonance stabilized structures are formed, and due to these resonance stabilized structure, intermediate is more stable due to these resonance stabilized carbocation. Addition of the electrophile forms a new carbon or electrophile bond using 2 pi electrons from the benzene ring. So benzene become electron deficient and generating a carbocation. This carbocation intermediate is not aromatic. This carbocation is not aromatic, but it is resonance stabilized. 3 resonance structures can be drawn. Because resonance stabilized structure, because it doesn't contain alternate single and double bond due to the presence of carbon and electrophile bond. Step 1 is the rate determining, because the aromaticity of the benzene ring is lost. There is no presence of alternate single and double bond in that structure, so aromaticity is lost. In step 2, a base removes the proton from the carbon bearing the electrophile. That proton will be removed, thus reforming the aromatic ring. So your base will remove that proton and your aromatic ring will be again generated, because proton and carbon bond is shifted inside the ring. Any of the 3 resonance structure of the carbocation intermediate can be used to draw the product. The choice of resonance structure affects how curved arrows are drawn, but not the identity of the product. These curves show the arrow of these curves shows that different resonance stabilized structures are formed, and either of the structures can be converted into the product. Friedel-Crafts acylation mechanism is somewhat similar to Friedel-Crafts alkylation. In Friedel-Crafts acylation, AlCl3, which is working as a catalyst, will act on acyl chloride and extract its halide anion and forms AlCl4, an intermediate, and a carbocation, that is acyl carbocation, and that acyl carbocation will attack benzene nucleus and it forms an intermediate with the removal of aromatization of benzene ring. Ultimately that proton will be removed as a ultimately that hydrogen will be removed as a proton, and double bond will be generated inside the benzene ring, and your new structure formed will be, that is called aceto. Mechanism of acylation reaction. Previously you studied Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction mechanism. Now this is the Friedel-Crafts acylation mechanism. It is just somewhat similar to Friedel-Crafts alkylation. AlCl3 aluminum chloride, the Lewis acid will extract acetyl chloride anion, and it will form a complex that is called free acyl cation complex, and ultimately RC double bond O, that acyl carbocation will be formed, and that acyl carbocation will form a tautomeric structure RC triple bond O. That oxygen will donate one of its lone pair to form a coordinate covalent bond, and RC triple bond O will be formed. Ultimately, on electrophilic substitution on benzene ring, proton and acyl group will form a Wieland intermediate, which on aromatization that proton will be removed and that bond will move inside the ring, and your new structure will be formed, that upon hydrolysis will form acetophenone or acylation acylated benzene, and your byproduct will be formed as HCl, and AlCl3 will be generated as a catalyst. Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction reagent and catalyst. The general used alkylating agents are alkyl halides, alkenes, and alcohol. The order of reactivity of alkyl halide is that Fluorine is more reactive than fluorine. Fluorine is more reactive than bromine. Bromine is more reactive than iodine. However, order of reactivity of all type of reagents are that allylic and benzylic are somewhat similar and greater than tertiary. Tertiary is greater than secondary, and secondary is greater than primary compounds. Thus, benzene on treatment with fluorochloroethane in the presence of BCl3 yields chloromethylbenzene. The most common catalysts used in the reaction are anhydrous AlCl3 and boron trifluoride. Both are Lewis acid. AlCl3 and BF3 are Lewis acid. Sometimes proton acids such as HF, these are called proton acid, HF, H2SO4, phosphoric acid are used as Lewis acid. For more active halides, trace amount of catalyst is enough. ZnCl2 is enough. A trace amount, very minute amount of ZnCl is enough to work as a catalyst, but in case of lesser active halides, more active catalyst AlCl3 is required in more amounts. The order of effectiveness of Lewis acid catalyst are AlBl3 is one of the most effective catalysts, then AlCl3, then gallium chloride, then ferric chloride, then stilbene chloride, zinc chloride, stannous chloride, boron chloride, boron fluoride, and stilbene trichloride. Benzene on reaction with fluorochloroethane in the presence of trichloroborane is converted into 2-chloroethylbenzene. So fluorine group will be removed as a byproduct. Friedel-Crafts alkylation, this is a good method for the preparation of aryl ketones such as acetophenones. Alkylating reagents, acyl halides, carboxylic acid, acid anhydrides, ketenes, acyl halides, chlorides are most commonly used. Catalysts used are polyphosphoric acid and aluminum trichloride. Aluminum trichloride is mostly preferred. There are two types of Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction: intermolecular Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction and intramolecular Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. This is the example of intermolecular Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction and intramolecular Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction occur within the molecule, and that is the presence. That is the example of Friedel-Crafts intramolecular reaction that occurs within the molecule. Applications: acylation of polycyclic aromatic hydrocompounds, aromatic hydrocarbon compound, synthesis of naphthalene. That is the structure of naphthalene. This is synthesized from benzene and succinic anhydride. Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction occurs. AlCl3 will act as a Lewis catalyst, and it will form this compound. On Clemmensen reduction, that compound is converted, that carbonyl group will be removed as CH2, that becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, that is benzene butanoic acid. On cyclization, that carboxylic group will form a cyclic compound, and your side chain cyclohexenone will be formed. On Clemmensen reduction, that carbonyl group will also convert it into CH2. On reaction with on dehydrogenation in the presence of metal and heat, that is converted into naphthalene. 2 hydrogen will be removed and 2 double bond will be formed. So your new structure formed is naphthalene. From benzene succinic anhydride, you can synthesize naphthalene. That is called benzoyl propionic acid. You can also synthesize anthracene derivatives from Friedel-Crafts alkylation between 2 molecules of benzyl chloride. That is also a benzyl chloride. Benzyl chloride will react with another benzyl chloride in the presence of Lewis acid, and 9 10 dihydroanthracene will be found upon cyclization, and on oxidation it is converted into anthracene. So Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction is also helpful in the synthesis of polyhydrocarbons, that is polyhydrocarbons. Synthesis of pyrrole 3 is acylated derivatives can also be synthesized from Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Pyrrole, and that is benzene sulfonyl chloride. So benzene sulfone linkage will get attached and HCl will be removed as a byproduct. On reaction with acetyl chloride will get attached to the third position, that is acyl group, and on reaction with NaOH, benzene sulfonyl group will be removed and your new structure will be formed, that is pyrrole 3 acylated derivative. Reaction with new catalyst zinc oxide, acylation reaction over zinc oxide as a new catalyst. Zinc oxide catalyzes a rapid Friedel-Crafts alkylation or acylation reaction of various aromatic compounds with acid chloride in solvent-free condition at room temperature. The zinc oxide powder can be used up to 3 times after simple washing with dichloromethane. Benzoyl chloride, that is benzoyl chloride, when it is react with anisole and proton, that Cl will be removed, that chloride will be removed and proton will be removed from this position. HCl will be formed as a byproduct and your new structure is formed, that is called 4-methoxyphenyl 1-phenyl methanol. You can synthesize muscone and effective perfume with muscone. You can synthesize from Friedel-Crafts alkylation. You can synthesize different types of dyes by using Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction can be used to synthesize cyclopentanone derivatives. Synthesis of cyclopentanone derivatives, cyclohexene on reaction with protonyl chloride, that is protonyl chloride on reaction with cyclohexene creates cyclopentane derivatives, that is dichloromethane, and in the presence of aluminum chloride, that is base acid, you can synthesize cyclopentanone derivatives.